boys and girls, welcome to Circle Time with Mrs. T. I am so excited that you're here today, and guess what? It's the month of December, so we're going to do lots of Christmas stories this month. We're going to start out with a song, and it goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas lights, lighting up December nights, red and yellow, orange and blue, making such a lovely view. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas lights, lighting up December nights. All right, our first story today is called 10 Trim the Treers. 10 little neighbors about to trim their tree. They'll dress for the occasion. Turn the page and see. One shiny golden star at the very tippy top. 2 strings of flashing lights that just won't stop. 3 little angels with halos and with wings. 4 Santa's elves making toys that he brings. 5 swift reindeer, they know how to fly. 6 lacy snowflakes that fall from the sky. 7 jolly men all made of snow. 8 candy canes, no eating them though. 9 menorah candles to mark the gift of light. 10 pretty presents to make our holiday bright. 10 trim the treers. Now their job is done. It's time to serenade their pets and everyone. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you liked our first story, boys and girls. And in the story, it talked about trimming the tree and putting on decorations. So I have all these decorations, and I have a Christmas tree here. So we are going to put some of these up. This says Merry Christmas. Let's see if we can put that right up there. How about a Santa's hat? Let's put a Santa's hat right there. And here is Santa. Let's put Santa right over there. How about some holly leaves? Let's try some holly leaves down here. And a gingerbread boy. Let's try a gingerbread. And a stocking. Do you have stockings on your chimney or on your wall? Let's put a stocking up there. And what do you think? Should the star go on top? Yes, let's put the star right on top there. And I see a snowman. Let's put a snowman there. And a reindeer. Does Santa have reindeer? He does. Let's put a reindeer there. And a mitten. That keeps your hands warm when you're in the snow. And I see an ornament. Let's put an ornament up here. And how about a Christmas tree? There we go. Let's put a Christmas tree and another ornament. Let's put that right there. A candy cane. Let's see if we could stick it right there. And here's a present. Let's try present down below. And let's see. Oh, I see another present on here. Should we try this one down below? What do you think? Is it looking good? And I see some snowflakes. Snowflakes happen when it snows outside. And another star. How about a stocking? Another stocking. And a house, a winter house. And a candy cane. Let's put a candy cane up. How about right there? And we've got some more holly. Let's see if we can put the holly right there. Let's do a couple more ornaments. Let's do this ornament. Let's put that up right there. And how about a bell? Let's put a bell up. And I see a bow in here. Should we put a bow up? Let's put a bow up too. And another snowflake. All right, we have a couple more. Here's another ornament. Let's put that one right here. And another bell. And one of Santa's hats. Let's see, we have a little bit more room. We'll put a lollipop on. And there we go. Our tree is all done. Our next story is Llama Llama Holiday Drama. Sparkly candles, yummy bread, dress up clothes in green and red. How long till that special date? Only 15 more shopping days. Llama Llama has to wait. Llama Llama holidays, ads and signs and store displays. Fluffy snow and funny elves, goodies piled high on shelves. Just how many days to go? Llama Llama wants to know. Time to buy, search, and shop. Mama carries, Llama drops. Buy a friend a rubber duck, pirate ship or tractor truck, wooden blocks or building set. What will Llama Llama get? Llama Llama holidays, hustle, bustle, cooking craze. Measure sugar, roll the dough. 10 more batches left to go. How many more days again? The special day is coming when? Take the cookies out to cool. Frost a great big batch for school. Add some sprinkles. Almost done. Teacher gets the fancy one. No more cookies left to bake. Llama Llama tummy ache. School has dreidels, songs, and bells. Big red ribbons, woodsy smells. Draw a snowman, make a star. Decorate a candle jar. Are there many days to go? Llama time is going slow. Mama needs a present too. Get some sparkles, stickers, and glue. Roll it out and wrap it how? Llama wants to give it now. Llama holidays, unpack stocking, unwrap trays. Shiny silver fancy plates. Llama Llama waits, waits, waits. Cut out snowflakes, tape them up. Pour some eggnog in a cup. Whoops, it's yucky on the floor. Llama Llama wants some more. Stringing lights, it's not much fun. How come Mama isn't done? Is the big day coming soon? Llama Llama starts to swoon. All this waiting for one day. Time for presents right away. Too much music, too much fluff. Too much making, too much stuff. Too much everything for Llama. Llama Llama Holiday Drama. Come and listen, little llama. Have a cuddle with your mama. Sometimes we should take a rest and hold the ones we love best. Wishing, waiting, wanting things, we forget what this time brings. Gifts are nice, but there's another. The true gift, we have each other. Llama Llama, warm and snug, gives a kiss and gets a hug. Snuggles close with Mama Llama. Holiday for Llama. I hope you enjoyed our stories today, boys and girls. That's all the time we have for today. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, my friends. So long, farewell, until we meet again. Bye-bye for now.